Just a quick video on how to install a video card in a Precision 3630. And first thing you need to do is remove the side cover. There's a handle here that you pull on. You want to make sure that there's not a screw there locking it in place. The panel will open kind of at a slight angle, and to remove it you kind of lift it up at that same angle. From there you need to release these two locking tabs that hold the power supply in by lifting them up. There we go. And power supply assembly will swing out along with the mechanism that locks the video cards into place. From there, sit on the side. So get a better vantage point here. And you'll just take your video card and slot it in. There's a locking tab here. This little blue piece. You want to make sure it's pushed in the downwards position so it's open. And then you'll just slide the card in here like this until you hear a click. And that's that little blue locking tab locking the back of the card into place. And if your card requires power, obviously you want to plug in power. So don't forget that. Got a tripod in my face. And one thing you could do that actually might be easier, since this is a really compact case, is remove the video card and put the power in first. So I think I'm going to do that. There we go. Now we'll push this back in. Alright. Now when you plug in the power for the video card, just gonna get a few on that. You want to make sure the wires aren't protruding into this front case fan, because they'll cause it to obviously not spin, and it will either cause errors or cause your system to overheat. But anyways, once you get the video card plugged in and inserted in the slot, you'll just push this back down gently. You want to make sure it goes a straight line, not like tweaked. So you want to push kind of where the mass is. You don't want to you don't want to like push it on this corner, because it might cause it to twist basically, and then it'll bind and you'll have issues putting it in place. But yeah, push it down a straight line until it goes into place. And just stand this back up. These locking tabs, push them downwards like that. And then when you reinstall your cover, get back down at eye level of the case. There we go. You want to be mindful of these tabs with the little triangles on. The end of this tab goes into these rectangular slots along the edge of the case, and you kind of match the angle that you pulled the case out of. So like that. You just kind of push down and then press on the side panel until it locks into place, and you should have your video card installed. So hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.